So these courses are all about teaching young people all the things that you don't normally get taught in a classroom. You know, essentially it's emotional intelligence, it's health, mental health, well-being. It's about helping them develop a positive mindset by getting them to just open up and talk and be honest and get vulnerable. Teaching them about resilience, to keep going when things get tough, and to be disciplined as well, doing things on the days when you actually don't want to do them.
Through working with Michael Maisey, I've learned a lot about myself.
I've really opened up and I've become aware of a lot of fears and insecurities, but I can work on them now and grow so much as a person, and this has helped me and will help me get far in life and where I want to be.
You never really have a deep conversation about the worst parts of your life and things that hurt you before in the past. I think through sharing this with other people, within the first hour, we connected better than we had with people we've known for years. This was really powerful.
I look forward to this every week. I look forward to coming, to unloading, to sharing, to connecting, to learning, to growing, to discovering stuff about myself.
I've just been so impressed by the progress that these young people have made here at Richard Hughes, you know, just blown away by their honesty, their vulnerability and their real dedication to wanting to become a better version of themselves and really understand themselves a lot better. And so it's really reassuring for me that you see when they're given this opportunity, this space to really open up and be vulnerable and honest, that they take it and they run with it. So yeah, really promising signs for the future.